Hello everybody, here is a short tutorial on how to do the Jerusalema dance. We're going to start with our left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the right and do 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch 4 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn around and show you from behind, starting with our left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. We end with the left foot in back and the right foot in front. Now I'm going to show you the second half of the step. I'm going to start in a sideways direction, and I'm going to have my right foot in front and my left foot in back. I'm going to do another switch. Switch, step out, step back, step out, and touch. Grapevine, back, out, touch. Step back, 2, 3, touch. And that's where we would be ready to do it on our left foot again. Let me turn around and show you that section. So we ended with the left foot in back and the right foot in front. It's going to turn me to the left direction. I'm going to do one more of those changes. Change. I'm turning now to the left. Step out, step behind, step out, and touch. Step out, behind, out, touch. Step back, 2, 3, touch. Ready to go with my left foot. All right, so I'm going to do this dance 4 times in a row, and turning in all directions. At times it will not look in opposition to you because I'm going to start with my left foot, which will look like your right foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. New step. Out, back, out, touch. Out, back, out, touch. Behind, behind, behind. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Out. 2, 3, 4. Touch. 2, 3, 4. Touch. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1. Out, back, step, touch. Out, behind, out, touch, back, 2, 3, touch. And that's where the dance would start again. I hope you practice a little bit, and we'll see you on Monday. We'll use it as our warm-up. Thank you so much. Have a great day.